What's up, guys? We're gonna do something a little different today. We're gonna be working on a Dodge pickup truck 1500. We're adding some step bars to it. Okay, so this is Victor's truck. He's had it for a few years now, but he's had these chrome bars on it, but we're gonna change them out to something a little different. Let me show you what we got here. Okay, we got some OEDROs. These side steps are pretty heavy. Yeah. Pretty good packaging. It has some instruction manuals. Even has a picture of the right vehicle. Look at that. They have these pretty good protectors here in the end. Keep this straight, nice and clean, and it's like a rubber protector with plastic on it. All right, we got different labeled bolts here. Nice. Well, the B just came off of this one, but this is B, A, B, C, and D. These are good quality too. Not bad. We're going to be using brackets. These brackets here, and might be using some of these. We'll see if we need them, but probably just the big ones for this vehicle here.
If you follow this, how is front? The front has small ones.
Yeah. So if you see, the front has small brackets. These are wide. This is wide, and this is small. Right? So this is the front, middle, back, front, middle, back on the other side. And you can see on this one, the small one goes in the front, and the two, one in the middle and the one in the back, are larger. All right, so before we get started over there, we gotta take these off and understand these are just 13mm bolts all the way down. 13mm. All right, guys, so we just got some bolts to take off here. We got two, and two. Easy enough. I took all the bolts out of it.
Had a little hook.
It has little hooks to hold it in, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, how much is this one original?
Look, original, you're looking
Like
at
an actual, the whole
front?
width? Yeah. About 4 inches a step and then 5 width. And this one is about 6.5 of the whole thing. And the whole thing is pretty much a step, right?
Yep.
You want to make sure, again, the small one is over here. And these are going to line up because this one goes that way, so it lines up with this one. And this one goes that way. Alright, guys, so we're comparing both of these. Like, what the fuck is that? You lost, fool! Alright, so if your vehicle has the welded nuts on it, then you can just reuse the same nuts. Just put a washer on it. So this is pretty much what's already in here. So the truck already has the side steps, so then it already has this. If your truck does not, then you just slide this through here, in, pop it out, and you can use this at it. Right, you want to leave these on loose so we can adjust these. We're going to leave these on loose so we can adjust them moving forward or back if we need to.
Estos son los originales.
Sí. ¿Los quiere?
Están bien perros, güey.
Le pregunta a Chuy si los quiere ahorita.
Para dos, güey.
So this vehicle is a bit old, 2011. So it's good for you to go in with your hand because it has a lot of residue. So if you start it off and then just go in with an impact gun or whatever you're using, you might have a chance that you mess up the thread and you strip it. So So just go in with your hand. You feel a little bit of tension in it, back it out. It's just dirt, and go back in.
Great point. Alright, so now we're going to the black hardware. You should have 2 bolts and nuts for each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yep. Alright guys, we're gonna snug these bottom ones, not super tight, just snug them so we can tighten up the top ones. So we tightened up all the 13 millimeters here, nice and tight all the way around. First you snug these up, then you tighten the top, and then you go back and tighten all these up as long as it's level. And you still got to tighten up a little bit. And it goes. So that's what they look like right there. It's pretty clean. Nice texture. They stick out just enough. If we have one complaint about this, it'd be their rigidity. I don't know if you can see how much that moves. But they're not going anywhere. I mean, they're bolted on as tight as can be. Okay, so check out the website. Lots of good information on here for all makes and models, and a lot of interesting products they have here. So check them out. They have good deals going on right now. And then this is the link to the actual running boards that we got on the Dodge truck. Let's see there. Just pick your size. Well, thanks again for watching, guys. Check out the description of the video to get a little more info about the product and the truck itself. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out some of these other videos that I have too, alright? Deuce.